Alright, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be creating a branding for Coca-Cola company. Now let's start. First of all, let's change the paper size first. First, go to paper size. We are going to use custom. Then bring in shape, square. We add the paper size. Change it to change the units to inches. Change the paper size to, you have to use 8 by 3. Okay, let's use 10 by 3. Alright, now go to your color LED, click and hold to get many other darker LED. We are going to use this one. Come over here, right click to take out the outline. So let's start. These are the letters we are going to use, the words we are going to use for this branding. This is the Nigerian flag, as you can see. So let's start. First of all, let's bring in this Coca-Cola over here. Give it white. Control page up to bring to the front. Let's keep it here. Let's bring in this barcode here. Control page up to bring to page. Over here, come over to this angle of rotation. Let's write 90. 90°. You click enter. You see what happened. Let's reduce the size here. Let's keep it over here. Reduce this. Alright, now we are going to bold this Coca-Cola a little bit before we change the font. Keep it here. Bring in this also original text. Let's add sugar. Give it white also. We want to bring in all the text inside before we start. This bigger ball will be here. Page up. Give it white. Bring in this carbonated soft drink. Control page up also to bring to the front page. Give it white. Alright, then bring in this 60 cl over here. Control page up to bring to the front page. White also, we are using white all through. Then here we come over to this shape tool here, basic shapes. Click on this, click here. You see we want to use this love shape here. Then power clip this inside. You see power clip inside. Click on power clip inside. Open power clip, edit content to edit the power clip. After editing, you click on finish editing object. That's cool. Let's edit it again. Close. That's cool. Bring it inside here. Let's change the outline to white. Zoom out like this. Keep it over here. shift this one a little bit, increase. This is the Nigerian flag. Probably Nigerian should be under the Nigerian flag. Control page up, white, a little bit, reduce the size, keep it here. Just remaining this L. This should come over here. Control page up to bring to the front. Then we create a circle. As you are dragging this circle, click on Control so that you get a perfect circle like this. After you release your mouse cursor, you give it okay. Remove the color, go to outline, you give it outline, white outline. Okay, we increase the outline weight to this. This is cool. Bring in this here, increase the size like this, change the white. After this, you select the circle with the letter R. Over here, you click on group to group it. You can use Ctrl G to group. Alright, now let's start the initial design. Keep this one here, then click on this Coca-Cola, zoom it, bold, it's already on board. Then let's change the font. We are going to use this font, Loki Cola. That is the name of the font we are going to use, Loki Cola. Click on Loki Cola, you see this font. That's cool here. Click on the font like this. Then click on this already created. Reduce the size like this over here. Alright. Then over to this carbonated soft drink, we are going to reduce it a little bit like this. Then this should come in this form. I think we should add something like Coke. Here, white, bold it, change the font to this. Cocoa goes. After you click on this, come over to this angle of rotation, also give it 90 degree, you click enter, just like this. Bring it over here, zoom it a bit. I think this one should, no, this is big. Alright, bigger boy. Click on your letter, your text, click enter, just like this. Make it big. Go to your alignment, click on center alignment. Then let's change the font to this, also Cocoa Goes. That's the name of the font we are using here. I think you can see we have already finished branding the Coca-Cola company. As you can see, you normally see it. That's cool. I think this 60 cl should be 2. One over here, copy here. 1 2 was it. Here. Alright, this is the end of this video. As you can see, we have already finished the branding. Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting, go to the subscribe button, click on subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you don't miss my video whenever I post video. Thank you and remain blessed.